How to use Zelle with Fidelity investment. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps how you can use Zelle with Fidelity investment. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. After that, open up your web browser and log into your Fidelity investment account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and once you're on this page, you'll be able to see list of options. From the list, you need to select Send Money with Zelle. As soon as you click on it, next page, enter in your email address or a mobile number and then verify your contact info. So to verify your contact info, a one-time password will be sent through an SMS or an email. You need to enter it and accept the terms and conditions. And now you've successfully set up your Zelle. Now you're ready to start sending and receiving money with Zelle. So you can do the transaction process, and that is how you can use Zelle with Fidelity investment account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.